To make splash photo in Canva, open your design you want to work on. Any design size is okay. I have mine open, and I'll go over to elements here, and you want to search for the type of elements you want to use. For me, it's a color splash I want to give to my photo, and you can choose from either this one. If you open up the graphics, you will see all the color splash there is on the graphics. Whichever one that vibes is what you're going for, you can go to the photos and also see color splashes that are in the photo. I'm going to select this photo here, and let me spread that out. I will take out the background. Now that I have the background out, let's go back into our elements. Now for frames, we want to search for paint brush stroke. We'll still go back into frames. This is what we want to search for, and you can use any of these shapes, but I'm going to use this one, and I'll place it like so. Now let me go and bring my image. I'll close this out, go into my recently used, and I have this image. Let me just quickly open the image up so I have more options of this image. I will select this image and I will remove the BG of this image. Now the image background is removed, and I'm going to drag this image and place it into the frame. I'm going to increase the size of this image like so, and I'm going to come over to this sign that says crop and pull the image out, so it's only her face that is visibly seen. Let's bring her face to the middle. Yeah, this is actually the middle. Now that we have that, we'll click on done. For the background, I'm going to pull this out like so, and I'll pull this out like so. And let's come into position and position all these images how I want them to appear. I want this to appear at the top and the middle. I want the frame to appear at the center and at the middle. Yes, this is perfect. And if we close this out and go to presenter mode, we have our design beautifully done.